All right, hopefully I can squeeze this last portion into the last 15 minutes. It says solve. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it so we have a little space to work with. I'm going to get rid of this by multiplying by 2x minus 3. Notice these will cancel. But I got to do the same thing to this side. So I get 1 is, distribute, 8x minus 12. I'm going to add 12 to both sides. And so I get 13 equals 8x, divide by 8, divide by 8, and I get x is 13/8. That's it for that one. Okay, here's that work problem. Remember, you do not add time plus time of certain people. Aaron and Anna working together. See, he works 6 hours on a job, Anna works 3 hours on a job. How many hours will it take them to paint the door together? You would never go 6 plus 3 is 9. That's a big no-no. It's going to take them less time, not more. So this is our work equals rate times time problem, which, if you remember when I taught it, we're going to put a one task is equal to 1. And we're going to keep with this formula and we're going to turn it into a fraction. So Aaron can do one job. He can finish the task, paint the door, in 6 hours. Then it says Anna can finish one job in 3 hours. Now we can see these are their rates. Because if we take this and divide by time, that's what we're doing. Work, one job over how much time. And we can add their rates together. And then this would equal how much time would it take them to finish the job together. Now, so we get common denominators. So this is 1/6 plus 2/6. I'm going to add those together and I get 3/6, which is 1/2 equals 1 over x. So together it would take them 2 hours. All right, those are tricky little problems. This says, what is the domain? Remember, domain x's. The only possible way we can have a problem here is the denominator being 0. So we got to investigate, where does x squared minus 3x minus 4 equal 0? We can factor that. And so we get x minus 4, x plus 1 by factoring this. X is 4, x, or negative 1. Now remember, these are the things that x can't be, because it would cause the denominator to be 0, and that's a no-no. So the domain, x can't equal 4, and x can't equal negative 1. If we looked at a number line with all the x's possible, negative 1 is one of the things it can't be, 4 is another thing. So we have to explain this space. So that's negative infinity all the way up to negative 1, together with this space, negative 1 all the way up to 4, together with this space, 4 all the way up to infinity. And there's our domain. Okay, so number 46, again, I'm probably going to make this a bonus on your exam. So don't stress out about it too much, but hey, it's not that big of a deal. It says the graph of which equation below has a horizontal asymptote at y equals negative 3. Now let's go through our checklist. It says if the top degree is less than the bottom degree, our one and only asymptote is going to be y equals 0. Now notice we got degree 1, 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 degree 1. So our degrees are equal. So this problem's asking us which one of these, if you take off the coefficients of your highest degree term, which in this case is a 1, is this thing going to reduce to a negative 3? If we look at this, we got a 1 and a 1, so that asymptote is y equals 1. Nope. This is 1 over negative 3, so it'd be y equals 1 over negative 3. That's not that. This one, we don't worry about that. We have a negative 3 over a 1. What does that equal? Y equals -3. We found our answer. There's the horizontal asymptote. Okay, last two problems. So this is where I said factor, 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 hector, hector, hector. So we're going to factor this. Turns into x plus 4, x minus 3. We're going to factor this bottom one. Factors into x minus 3, x plus 2. I like to put these in parentheses because then I can get fired up for my hack fest. And now I look for similar things to cross reduce. And notice everything reduces. Does that mean it's 0 or 1? It means it's 1. Okay. Because really every time we cross reduce there were 1s popping out everywhere. So it's 1. Last problem. Take a deep breath and let's do it. The only difference is division. So I'm going to go ahead and factor this. That's a difference of 2 squares. X minus 6, x plus 6. This one down here, 2 factors of -18 that add up to -3. X minus 6, x plus 3. Times. Notice what I'm doing. I'm flipping this. So I'm going to factor this and put it in the top. So that'd be x plus 4, x plus 3. I'm going to factor this and put it in the bottom. So that'd be x and x, 2 factors, 6 and 4, so that'd be plus 6 minus 4. Now the hack fest. So there goes my x plus 6's, the x minus 6's go bye-bye, and notice I'm left with x plus 4 all over x minus 4, and nothing can be done with that. Congratulations, you have finished the final exam review. Now good luck.